Today we're reviewing the Luxiar washer. It's a top loader, and I'm going to do it on the spin only cycle. I'm going to start the spin only. Time for me to start this. Time for this to start. Alright, it's starting to spin. There are some R2K17 washers though, and some other washers as well. The Luxiar pack is just the top loader, washer, and dryer. Does this have no motor sound? I don't think it has a motor sound at all. This is spin only. This is really cool though. See that? This is the sticker, if you couldn't tell. And the warranty. That's the 5-year warranty. Wait, but some Samsungs have 5-year warranty. 5-year warranties. Skull emoji. But this Luxiar is really cool. Oh, only 2 minutes left. I think this is like a 3-minute cycle. So it's kind of like the quickest cycle, if you couldn't tell. Spin only is like the quickest cycle, with it only being like a 3-minute runtime. This is A+++. Oh no. WMA80823. This is the spin only cycle. I think it's gonna end spin now. It's gonna end spin soon. It's gonna spin down soon. Oh, see? And this doesn't have an agitator, though. It doesn't have an agitator. Oh. This is the Luxiar. Wait, I'm recording. Oh wait, this is done. Oh, wait, that's the elevator tone. That's the Luxiar elevator chime. Anyways, bye.